and 2 singles. So this one has more. That means that 20 is greater than 12, and 12 is less than 20. This is the symbol we use to show greater than and less than. The mouth opens toward the bigger number. That's easy to remember. I want to eat the bigger basket of berries too.
Is 8 greater than or less than 12? Drag the correct symbol to the blank. Is 8 greater than or less than 12? Drag the correct symbol to the blank. Oops! Is 8 greater than or less than 12? Super! 8 is less than 12. Is 10 greater than or less than 4? Is 10 greater than or less than? Great job! 10 is greater than 4. Is 7 greater than or less than 3? Try again. Is 7 greater than? Yay! 7 is greater than 3. Is 9 greater than or less than 10? Oops! Is 9 greater than or less than 10? Great! 9 is less than 10. Is 30 greater than or less than 5? Neat! 30 is greater than 5. Is 10 greater than or less than 19? Sweet! 10 is less than 19. Is 12 greater than or less than 20? Good job! 12 is less than 20. Is 5 greater than or less than 15? Good work! 5 is less than 15. Is 11 greater than or less than 30? Super duper! 11 is less than 30. Is 40 greater than or less than 12? Awesome! 40 is greater than 12. Numbers are so fun! Here is one block. The yellow number shows the number of blocks. Here is one block. The yellow number shows the number of blocks. Now try moving a block from the bottom into the 1 section. Good job! You can combine blocks by moving them together. Now try combining blocks. Good thinking! To break the blocks apart, drag them to the scissors. Now try combining and separating blocks. Good work! When you combine 10 blocks, they become a rod. Now try combining 10 blocks. Great! 1 rod equals 10 blocks. The green number shows the number of rods. Now try moving a rod from the bottom into the 10 section. Great job! You can break up a rod into blocks by dragging it into the 1 section. The rod becomes 10 blocks. Now try breaking up a rod. Awesome! You can remove rods or blocks by dragging them outside of the frame. Now try removing some rods and blocks. Now try removing some rods and blocks. Cool beans! If there are 10 or more blocks in the one section, combine the blocks into a rod. The combined number of rods and blocks is your final number. There is 15 total because there is 1 rod and 5 blocks. Now try making the number 15. Keep it up!